Mamamia cooking. Today's recipe is breast chicken meat with cashew nuts. Okay, this is all my ingredients. This is 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 inches of sliced young ginger, 7 pieces of sliced garlic, 1 big yellow onion I cut into cubes, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 5 pieces of dried chilies, 3 stalks of curry leaves, 3 colors of capsicum, red, green, and yellow, 100 grams of cashew nuts, 1 cup of plain water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of raw sugar. So this is the chicken meat. I'm going to fry it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So I'm going to mix it before I'm going to fry. Okay, so let's start cooking. First, I'm going to mix up the ingredients for the chicken. The salt, turmeric powder, and the corn flour. Okay. Now I'm going to add in half bowl of oil. I'm going to fry the chicken. Okay, I'm going to fry the chicken. Fry the chicken until it cooks. Okay, so the chicken is already cooked. I'm going to pick out the chicken and put aside. Okay, so the chicken already cooked. I'm going to put one side. And now I'm going to fry the dried chili and the curry leaves. The curry leaves. I want the aroma on my chicken. Until the chili color will turn into darker. See? And the curry leaves also turn into darker color. Take out the chili and the curry leaves. Pick out and put aside. Okay, now the curry leaves and the dried chili already fried. I take out and put aside. Okay, so now I'm going to fry the ingredients. I'm using oil. It's a garlic, ginger, okay, so already fry the garlic for just slightly brown. I don't want to be brown, so now I'm going to add in the onion. Now I add in the oyster sauce. Add in the salt, the vinegar, and the capsicum. I add in 1 cup of water. And I'm going to add in the cooked cashew nut. Now to try the gravy, make sure it's enough salt, enough taste in there. Delicious. Okay, so now I can add in the fried chicken meat just now. Right. Nice color. I'm going to add in the fried chili and the fried curry leaves. So I want the aroma. So it's done. This is my chicken cashew nut. Off the fire. Okay, let's try the chicken with cashew nut. I'm going to eat with rice. Okay. So let's try. It's very nice, very colorful. See the aroma of the curry leaves is so interesting. Okay. So let's try the chicken. Mm. 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 So tasty. Wonderful. So if you feel like wonderful today, guys, please try my recipe. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you soon. Bye.